Most people in the world always think of doing something very great, something very big that really matters to the world, that matters to oneself and to others. It's a dream of every person to do something good. But is it what matters, doing something very big or doing something small which has great significance? This question, very often, comes to our mind, and we find it very difficult to answer. And those people who are very especially, thinking of doing something great or doing something that will matter to the world, they must ask certain questions to themselves, which would make their dream very clear. For example, they must ask themselves, what are the things that really matter in your life? What are the things that matter most for you? Is it that the people or the material possessions or something else that matters to you? Matter something your family, your children, your wife, your friends, money, power? What is it? What is in what field would you like to do something so big, something so great that people will marvel at you? When you think of so many things, a few questions may come to your mind. For example, how important are you to others? How much do others pay attention to you? How much would you be missed if you went away? How interested are others in what you have to say about something? How much do other people depend on you? These are, certain questions. By answering that, you will be able to make your decisions in a proper direction, which would help you to do something very great. Now, when it comes to something great, is it doing something very big thing matters to you? Or is it something, a small thing that matters to you? I would like to share a story with you. A few years back, I read this story somewhere. The story goes like this. A writer once went for a vacation to Mexican Caribbean islands. He noticed that when the low tide began, a lot of sea starfish began to come to the seashore along with the waves, and it just came over to the land. And they were gasping for breath. And there were a lot of people walking on the seashore, but a man was standing alone and he was picking up and throwing it. It was so curious for the writer to see how this man is doing it. What does it matter to him? Because the sea has got millions of starfish. Does it really matter to the sea or to the nature? What is the importance of doing all this? The writer went close to the man who was picking up the starfish and throwing to the sea, back to the sea. He asked him, does this make any sense to you? Does this have any matter that is important to you and to the world? The sea has got millions of starfishes. What does it matter you throw back one fish? Will it make any difference to the sea? The man looked at this guy, smiled at him and said, definitely, my throwing back one or two fish into the sea back really does not matter to the world. It does not matter to the sea. It does not matter to anyone. But it matters to the fish that which I throw to the sea back. Yeah, it is something like this. What matters is a concept that we think the world must matter to us. But what is the world? Is it the people for whom we are doing matters to them? Is it something that helping people are very important to us? When a time will come for us to leave this world, then we start looking back to see what have we done. Are we able to do something great things or small things? Have we to make more money? Do we regret that we could not make more money? Or we could not accumulate more things? Yeah, this question each one has to ask. It may not be time for us to go, but we are on the process of journeying towards a life that ends somewhere. So ask the question, what does it matter to me? Is it something very big or something small but something great? Think for yourself. Thank you very much.